Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create an account on Instagram. So if you want to make an Instagram account because you're new to Instagram but you don't know how to do it, I'll show you guys how to do it in this video today. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that your Instagram app is completely updated, and if it's not updated or you haven't downloaded it yet, then you just want to head over to the App Store and download it and update it. But I'm going to log out of my account real quick to show you guys what it looks like if you make it from the first at first. So you're going to go here and then you're going to click on create new account at the bottom of this screen. Here you're just going to want to put in either your phone number, or if you want to sign up with an app or the email, click on sign up with email and then put in an email instead. So I have this burner email right here that I'm going to use. So once you do that, you just click on next and it'll send you a confirmation code to either your phone number or your email. So head over to your email or phone number and look for the code that it will send you. So it hasn't sent it to me yet, so you might have to wait a little bit for it to send the code. But once you wait a little bit, it should send it. As you can, let me try refreshing it one more time. Oh, there it is. And as you can see, once you get it, you're just going to want to get the code and put it into the confirmation code section right here. Here, just click on next, and once you do that, it'll ask you for your name. You can either put in your real name or you don't have to. It'll make it easier for people to find you if you put in your real name. So, but if you don't care, then you can just put in a nickname or something like that. Once you do that, just put in a password. It doesn't really matter what the password is. Whatever you want it to be, you can just put it in. It's gonna have to be, it doesn't really matter what it is, and you can save the login info for your account. So your email or phone number and the password. So you can save it if you want to. Now here, just put in your birthday. It doesn't have to be your real birthday as usual. It just makes it so that people will know it's your birthday if you put it as your birthday and it becomes your birthday. They'll get like a notification, I think. But you can just click next once you put in your birthday. Now choose a username. It'll give you a green check mark if the username is available. But if the username isn't available, it'll put a X next to a username instead. As you can see here, is not available, but if you add a couple other letters, it might become available. So just find your username, and once you do that, click on next. Here you can click on next or I agree after this, and you can read through it if you want to, but I know nobody really reads through these anyway. Now once you get here, you can add a profile picture, so you can choose it from the camera roll or with your camera. So just choose which one you want to use. Once you do that, you can put in. You can also put your profile picture in later, so you don't have to put it in right now, but you can if you want to. And once you do that, you can also post it as a post if you switch this option on right here, but I'm not going to do that. So once you do that, just click on continue, and here it'll have created your Instagram account. So it's going to give you all these options here, like find Facebook friends. So if you click like find friends, it will actually link your Facebook account to your Instagram account, and if other people have their Instagram account linked to their Facebook account, you can find them. Same thing with contacts. If they have their contacts linked to Instagram, they can find them through your contacts as well. So you can do those if you want to, but I'm just going to skip them. Here you can remember the login info. So I would suggest doing this if you want to make sure you don't forget your password and stuff. And once you do that, you have your Instagram account created. You can follow whoever you want. It'll ask you to choose your interests. You can put in your interests if you want to, but it doesn't really matter. So you can put in all your normal interests, and the Instagram will send you posts that relate to those interests. So that is how you create an Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.